comes to get the job done and get it done right, especially done right away, call us. We don't waste any time. My Handy Angel is here for you. Always a phone call or text away. Call me directly, Julio, owner of My Handy Angel, 407-272-8688. Always at your service.